going to be a good video because I'm going to help you to stop being non-profitable. How about that? All right, so let's go ahead and get with it. A couple of things. First thing I need you to do is to wish your mama a happy Mother's Day. All right, that's the first thing that's going to make you profitable. Tell your mama happy Mother's Day. Text her, tweet her, give her some breakfast money, take her out, give her a hug, and all those good things. Number two, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so I can do more videos like this so that it can be spread around. This video is really going to help you guys to figure out how to actually be more profitable, okay? And it's going to accelerate your trading career like that overnight. Guaranteed, okay? I got receipts, okay? Next, please make sure to understand that I will never ask you to send me any Bitcoin. I will never private message you and tell you, hey, I will trade for you and make you some profit margins. There's somebody out there trying to use our company brand and our name, trying to scam people. That is not me. I will never have, I never will trade for you. I will never ask you to send me some Bitcoin and all these different things and Okay, we got that out the way. Very good. By the way, I'm very excited about last week. We had a hot trading week. We were 10-2 in the signals group, even with the Fed announcements of the interest rates and even with NFP. Cha-ching, cha-ching, baby. All right, so anyway, let's get with it. So here's the deal. Why do most Forex traders end up not being profitable? There is one major issue that is causing this to happen. And if you think back on what I'm about to tell you in this particular video, you're going to say, you know what? I think that brother's on to something. And this is a common trap or mistake that happens among all traders, majority of them actually, if they don't have good mentorship. Okay, so here's the deal. Have you ever had a good trade that took place, you were excited, you felt good about yourself, and so therefore something happened within you and it said, wait a minute, let me go see if I can find what? Another. And when you went back into the markets, you found another trade, but that one didn't work out. So now you feel bummed again. So what do? You go back in again and you try to take another trade. And if that one doesn't feel good, then you get back in again. But then if you win the next one, you're back in again. And it keeps you going. The problem with all retail traders, well, not all, but the majority of retail traders, and the reasons why you can't pass these prop firm challenges and all these different things, it boils down to one big thing. You are trading way too much. It's really that simple. You don't need more tricks. You don't need more this. You don't need more skills. You have enough, but you're not executing and being patient with waiting for good quality setups. Remember, I did the video called HQTs. The number one reason, even within myself, the number one reason why most retail traders are losing is because they're just freaking trading way too much. You are dealing with a gambling addiction. You don't want to call it what it is, but I'm going to call it that for you. You are dealing with a gambling addiction. You don't know when to stop. Think about it like this. On average, how many trades do you take on an average week? Think about it. The average retail trader takes at least 20 trades a week. And what makes it worse is because they're trying to be a scalper. Now, do the numbers in your head. The average trade will cost you in pips by your broker about 3 pips. Now, you take 3 pips and times that by 20. How many pips do you walk away with? The broker, at least minimum, makes about 60 pips off of you, and they never place one trade. Not one. You did, and they just charged you in pips. So win or lose, you still had to pay the broker 3 pips for every time you entered the trade. So they're making an average of 60 pips off of every retail trader. Now, you and I both know that the average numbers on the retail traders, if you do your own homework, at least 80% of all Forex traders are not making profits. Why? Because this is one of the reasons why. They don't wait for quality setups. They're just in the market trying to get it. And then they're very impatient, so that even if they lose the first trade, they don't wait and stick with the strategy, stick with the plan that they said they want to stick to. What do? They're off to the races trying to find a new strategy, trying to find new indicators, trying to do this. Then they go live again, don't demo test anything. They just go live and then they just rinse and repeat the situation over and over again. And at the end of the day, you're emotionally worn out, you're exhausted, and you're frustrated because you're saying, I'm doing all this trading, but I have nothing to show for it. Meanwhile, your broker on the other side is smiling from ear to ear because they charge you at least a minimum of about 3 pips on every trade. Now, I know the Euro USD is only about 1 pip and so forth, but they know you're going to trade more than that. So like the GBP pairs, those are average about 4 or 5 pips. So either way it goes, it balances out and your broker is making all the money and you are still broke. Why? This is the challenge for your Mother's Day trading week. Here it is. Here's your homework. I'm going to keep this video real short and simple. Here is your homework. I'm going to force you to not take trades unless they are high quality trades. And by the way, when I say about, listen, you want me to be very honest? Here's the honest truth. The average retail trader don't take 20 to 30 trades a week. Some of you guys are taking 20 to 30 trades a day. Now, you do that number of what the count of the pips are that you're giving away to your broker and how much you're walking away with, that is going to make some sense. Have you even tracked how many trades you've taken last week alone? And if you really are taking my advice, you'll realize, you know what, Uncle P, you got a point. I do over trade too much. See, a lot of people think, oh, he's going to talk about over leveraging. No, some of you guys are working on the leverage, but you're working too much on trading too often. And what happens is, you know for sure some of those trades you took last week that you lost on, you know they weren't high quality trades. So you have to ask yourself, why in the heck did I take them? Well, that's because you're lacking self-control and you just feel the need to always be in the market. Even as I'm doing this video, some people are going to be watching saying, oh yes, it's Sunday, the market is going to be open. But the truth of the matter is, you should wait. Because it doesn't mean just because the market is open that there's going to be high quality trades. So you want to be patient. So here's your homework assignment. And this is going, especially if you're a lady, here's your Mother's Day gift. Here we go. Your homework assignment this week is to only take 6 trades for the whole week. What? Yep, that's what I said. 6 trades for the entire week. I want you to reduce the number of trades that you've been taking. And this means that if you're only taking a total of 6 trades this week, that means you're going to learn how to wait for the best quality setups. And automatically, now think about it. I know that, don't argue with me. Just listen. Think about it. You've been trading 10, 20, 30, 40 trades a week, and you have not been profitable. So before you write me off and discount what I'm saying, think about it like this. Wouldn't you feel good about yourself if you won 4 out of 6 trades or 5 out of 6 trades versus taking 40, 50, 60, 20, however many trades you've been taking, and you're walking away with nothing? See, don't argue. You will feel very proud of yourself ending the week with a very high winning percentage simply because you cut down on the foolishness. So before you debate, I want you to think about it. Wouldn't that be just ideal if you just did it for 1 week and just on Friday, send me an email to superezforex@gmail.com and let me know how that went for you. Just taking a few trades a week, a maximum of only 6 trades. That's your homework assignment. Do not take any more than 6 trades this week. And then on Friday, I want to see what your winning percentage is going to be. Because even if you win 4 out of the 6, that's an 80% win rate, if I believe right. If you win 5 out of 6, guess what? That's a 90% win rate. Would you not be smiling at the end of the week knowing that you're now profitable with 5 out of 6 or 4 out of 6 trades that you won simply because you waited patiently for good quality setups? Now you're actually seeing money coming into your account and less money going to your broker and less time being wasted. And if it helps you, you might want to reduce the number of pairs that you're watching. Some of you guys are watching all 40 pairs, 50 pairs, plus you're trying to trade crypto, gold, the indices, you're trying to trade everything all at one time. But here's the deal. What if you just cut it down to watching only a few pairs that you know that you kind of understand how they move? Okay, now you're choosing just a few less pairs, you're spending far less time on the charts, and you're actually going to end the week profitably. Maybe for some of you guys who's going to watch this video later on, you're probably going to be profitable for the very first time in your trading career. And some people have been trading for years that have never been profitable. Never been profitable. And they're always thinking it's a new strategy they need. This is the strategy you need. Stop freaking trading so much. Get your freaking itchy hands off the keyboard. Turn the computer off. Look at a few pairs and say, you know what? Matter of fact, here, let's take this one step further. One step further. Here's your one extra step. Only look at 6 pairs and only take 6 trades this week. Oh, that's going to be challenging, huh? Only look at 6 pairs and only take 6 trades this week. And then on Friday, I want you to send me an email to superezforex@gmail.com and just simply let me know, hey, I took your challenge, I took your advice, and just simply let me know how I went. Okay? 6 pairs only and 6 trades only. That's all you're allowed. Okay? You can take 2 a day, 1 a day, 2 a day, but only up to 6. Okay? Only up to 6 trades for the week. Everybody good on that? All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. I told you I'm going to keep this real short. By the way, let me say this. Again, the signals group was 10 and 2. One of the things we're doing is reducing how many times we're sending out signals, and we really avoid trading during the early portions of the week on Sunday and Monday, and automatically our winning percentage skyrocketed, even with all the news last week. So guess what? We was at an 80% win rate. We took, we took some trades, 2 break evens, 2 losses, but 10 wins, right? That's excellent. See, we're just being very particular on the trades that we choose to send out as well. And me, I'm let my team do a lot of trading. I'll send out some, but I don't send. See, because I want to kick back and relax and wait for the ones that I know have the highest percentage of opportunity to win. I don't just want to send out a bunch of stuff just to be sending it out. I don't want to be in a bunch of trades just to be in a bunch of trades, working my nerves. I just want to send out quality. I want to take quality trades so I can be proud of myself at the end of the week. So this challenge, the 6 and 6 trade, but that's what we'll call it, the 66. Okay, only 6 pairs you can watch, and you can only take 6 trades this week. And take the 66 challenge, and you let me know how this goes. Okay. Oh, all right. Right on from Sacramento. Cool. Love y'all too. All right. So anyway, I'm going to close the video because it is Mother's Day. Is there anything else? Oh, by the way, there is some news events coming up, but I don't remember what they are. And I'm sorry I didn't look them up beforehand. So anyway, enjoy that. Last but not least, people are always asking, hey, Uncle P, you have several different services. Which is which? What is what? All right. Here's the first one. Simplicity is the main one. I've had that for years. And that comes with the live classes. So if you're looking for a community to join, to chitter chat with, and some live classes with me and Miss Jenny, then you want to get to Simplicity System. It's only a one-time fee, and we teach classes every single week. If you're just an independent trader, you know enough, you just want to trade on your own, but you need some automated trading tools so you're not spending hours upon hours drawing trend lines, support and resistance, supply and demand zones, Fibonacci levels, and all these different things, then you do want the Sexy Analyst because it does all that stuff for you in a matter of seconds. You just click to charts and it automatically puts everything for you, and it comes with 2 scanners, one for support and resistance to let you know on those levels, and it also comes with the trend line scanner, so when price action actually touches a trend line and you're looking to reverse off of there, it'll send you the alert. That is the service for you if you want to trade on your own. Last but not least, if you're tired of trading and you just want somebody else to do it and you're ready to just outsource it and move on with your life, then you want to sign up for the signal service, okay? Which is what I told you guys I would do at this point. If I wasn't involved in the business, I would actually just outsource it and pay somebody else to take their signals because, again, I know enough about it, but I don't feel like doing it. So if that is you, then you want to sign up for the signal service, okay? So that's the separation between the 3 services. I think I covered everything else. Have a blessed day and happy Mother's Day. Peace and hair grease. This is probably the shortest video I've done in a long time on a Sunday. Love y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you in class next week, students, or this week on Tuesday. Bye.